Looking for the best Danby microwaves? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 Danby microwaves on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Danby 0.7 cubic foot stainless steel microwave. Pros: the compact size is the primary benefit of this model. For those with very limited counter space or sharing a dorm room, the 0.7 cubic foot size will still fit easily. 700 watts of cooking power gets the job done on small dishes and beverages. Includes 10 power levels and popular one-touch keys available on other Danby models. Cons: this model is not designed for family use, and may wear out more quickly if used too frequently. Bottom line: this unit is a good option for those with space challenges, as its compact size allows it to fit easily in a dorm room or kitchen cubby. At number 2. Danby 1.4 cubic foot white microwave. Pros: with 1.4 cubic feet of interior space, this microwave can handle some large dishes. 1100 watts of power means those dishes get cooked thoroughly and evenly. This model offers 11 one-touch keys for popular microwave items, so it covers common microwave uses as well. Danby's standard 10 power levels are also included. The attractive white exterior matches well with most kitchen decor. Cons: this larger unit may be impractical for kitchens with limited counter space. Bottom line: this spacious and powerful microwave is versatile enough to handle the frequent use of an average family or the occasional needs of a smaller household. At number 1. Danby 1.1 cubic foot stainless steel microwave. Pros: 1000 watts of cooking power allows this model to handle most basic eating and cooking needs. The 1.1 cubic foot size is compact enough to fit in most home or office kitchen spaces, yet large enough to accommodate commonly microwaved dishes. 10 power levels give users the ability to cook precisely and evenly. 6 one-touch keys are a convenient feature. Cons: this model does not have a one-touch at time button like many other models. Bottom line: this model is a great size for kitchens with average counter space or an office break room, and is powerful enough to cook food thoroughly and evenly. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.